Look at my amazing view from my balcony. Wow. Sometimes I just sit here and I am just soaking it all in. Like, I am so grateful for living here in Miami, Florida, for having this awesome and amazing view that I get to wake up every single morning to, and that I get to just, when I practice my morning routine, this is what I see. So this is what financial freedom equals to me. Financial freedom is whatever you make it. And honestly, I feel like this is what I've created. I created this lifestyle. So I'm 31 years old and I'm retired, and I just get to chill home and, create digital products and enjoy life. Honestly, I don't have to clock in, I don't have to clock out or anything anymore, because I put my money in the right place. I put them in certain investment vehicles that are giving me 20, 30, 40% returns. And I know that that sounds impossible to you, but nothing's impossible. So yes, 40, 50% returns either biannually or annually is possible. So the way that I'm actually generating this type of income, and I get to chill at home and, in a sense, kind of do nothing. Like, if you see my Instagram, you know that I do my morning routine, I work out, I drop my kids off, I pick them up, and that is my day. I'm very transparent with you guys. So if you see that, this is my lifestyle, right? This is the life that I created, which is a very free life at 31 years old. I don't have to clock in at a hospital anymore because I'm a retired nurse. Then you might want to tap into these certain investment vehicles that I have the privilege of putting together this program for you, which is called Forex Automation. And Forex Automation is the foreign exchange market, and it's day trading. But what you're doing, instead of you learning how to trade, instead of you having to evaluate the charts and implement all of these strategies and formulas, you leverage experts to do it for you. Doesn't that make complete sense? One question I always get is, what is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange market. It is a financial market just like the stock market. The only difference is that the stock market, you're trading shares in a company, and with Forex, you're trading currency pairs from different countries. So you have several different major currency pairs, like Euro USD, like USD versus Canada, CAD, right? So with these major currency pairs, you choose one and then you start trading that currency pair, and you choose whatever position. So this is identical to day trading, but in the foreign exchange market and not the stock market. So you choose a pair, and then you get into a position. So you can get into a buy position, which means that you are anticipating that the value is going to go up. Or you can get into a sell position, which means that you are anticipating that the value is going to go down. So the difference between where you enter the trade and where you exit the trade is your profit or your loss, depending on how skillful you are. But in this program, you need no skills. So I am in a partnership with a day trader who has 15 years of experience and has been doing over, I want to say 1,008% per year in growing the master account. So now you're thinking, master account, what's that? Okay, so you are going to create a Forex account with a broker that has MAM and PAM capabilities, and then you're going to link that account to a master account. The master account is the account that's actually being traded. Your account is linked to the master account, so every single trade that the master account gets into, your Forex account gets into it too. That is what I mean by automation. So your Forex trading is on autopilot, guys. So you are making hundreds of dollars per day passively by leveraging someone else's expertise. And the way that you're able to do this is by making your money make the money for you. It is stupid for you to go ahead and clock in and clock out day in, day after day, knowing that that is either something that you don't want to do, or knowing that you wish you had free time just in case you love your career. I get it, right? I love my career too, but it was actually taking me away from my family. I'm a mother of 3. I'm a wife. I'm a daughter. I'm a sister. It was taking me away from my family because I was working 12-hour days, 4 days a week, sometimes trying to get in some overtime, doing 5 days a week. That is exhausting. That is 60 hours a week. And nurses are hustlers. So that's what we do. Okay? So you are leveraging someone else's expertise. You do not need to know how to trade currency. Foreign exchange is trading currency pairs. You do not need to know how to trade. There is no skills required. The only thing that is required is that you have money to fund your Forex account, which we all do. And if you don't, then you better strip it from a credit card, because you want to tap into this investment vehicle that is going to give you financial freedom. So Forex trading, we are trading currency pairs. We are trading pairs like Euro USD, which is the Euro dollar against the United States dollar. Okay, and whatever position you get into, either it's a buy or a sell, and when you get out of that position, whatever the difference is your profit, guys. Okay, so when it comes to Forex Automation, you definitely want to get into this program. So click the link anywhere next to this video to tap in and get more information. And you can also get on a free call with me so that I can explain further, because some people do not even know what Forex is. They've never even heard of one of the largest financial markets in the world, which is baffling to me. So you don't know what you don't know, guys. Okay, let's just put that on the table and address the elephant in the room. You don't know what you don't know, so you are not even sure that you can be capitalizing off of this type of investment. Okay, and the minimum investment is $250 in order for you to start this account. If you don't have $250, go find $250. I don't want any type of excuses, because your financial freedom should be important to you, because it's important to me. The number one question that I get asked the most is there any fees involved? Absolutely. That's why these accounts were created, so that the traders can generate money as well. Okay, you're not going to be able to leverage somebody's expertise for free. That is just dumb. You need to tap in today. Do not wait a minute longer, because that's just time being wasted. And my clients are having exponential results. They are gaining $100, $200, $300, $400 per day just by starting from the minimum. Some of them are doubling their accounts in 1 month or less. This is totally possible, and you could be earning these type of returns as well. You need to tap in right away. Me, myself, I started my account with $1,500 and I've grown it to $33,000. And the day trader is earning anywhere between 1 to 3% per day. So my personal account is netting me anywhere between $300 to $1,000, honestly, per day, sometimes even more. I've seen 10% days where my account has earned $3,000 in one day. That's why I'm able to have this type of financial freedom. And I want to share this information with everyone, but you need to tap in. You need to get into the Forex Automation in order to start this type of account. So there is a performance fee associated with this type of account, okay? Whatever profit that your account makes, it can vary anywhere between 25 to upwards of 50%. It just depends, because the way that I created this program is through diversification, okay? So you are actually going to get to choose between 3 different accounts. One is traded by a bot. The other one is traded by an EA. The other one is traded by the trader with 15 years of experience, okay? So the bot is 25%, the trader is 38%, and the EA is 50%. Why? Because you earn more money. To give you an example of what the performance fee would look like, if your account today, Monday, generated $1,000 in profit and you have a performance fee of 25%, then you get to keep $750, and $250 goes to the master account at the end of the month. So the broker removes the performance fee at the end of the month. So whatever you generated from the 1st to the 30th, your total profit, whatever it is, if it's $10,000, then $2,500 is removed and goes straight to the master account, and your account is remaining with $7,500. You have to look at this the right way. You don't have to lift a finger. You don't have to know a single skill. Your money is generating money for you by leveraging other people and AI intelligence. And you just earned $7,500 by not doing anything. If you're ready for financial freedom, or real freedom, freedom of your time, freedom to do whatever the hell you want to do, then Forex Automation is for you. Let's say that your account was at $10,000 instead of $1,000. So now you have more leverage because you have more equity and more margins in this particular trade. So instead of your trade profit being $100, it would now be $1,000. So me and you get into the same exact trade, but my account is at 1,000 and yours is at 10,000. Same exact trade. My profit is $100. Your profit is $1,000. So I say that to say this: compound interest is very important when strategically playing this game, just as it is with the stock market, with all kind of financial assets, okay? So you want to let your money compound, because the more money that you have there, the more money that you're working with, the more money that you're trading with, the more money you're going to earn. So that, in a sense, is what the foreign exchange market is all about. It's about trading currency pairs, and whatever direction you go in, a buy or a sell, whatever position you get in and get out at is your profits. and we only win here, no losses, okay? Which is actually not reality, but my team is very highly skilled, and the artificial intelligence that we use to aid us is exceptional. It's exceptional to the point that in the last, I want to say the last 10 days, it has grown the master account by 300% in 10 days. I know these numbers sound impossible, but guess what? You don't know that this is exactly what Wells Fargo is doing. This is exactly what Chase Bank is doing. This is exactly what all the big banks and financial hedge funds are doing. You're sitting here, going to work and, going home and dealing with family, and you don't know what's in the outside world, especially the financial market. So tap in.